Samsung India has just announced the launch of its latest smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A35 5G. These devices, from India's premier consumer electronics brand, boast a range of innovative features that set them apart. Let's delve into what makes these phones stand out. Starting with design and durability, the Galaxy A55 5G sports a sleek metal frame, while the Galaxy A35 5G features a premium glass back reminiscent of flagship models. With a stylish floating camera design and vibrant color options like awesome lilac, awesome ice blue, and awesome navy, these phones are sure to catch eyes wherever you go. But it's not just about looks, these smartphones are built to endure. With an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, they can handle the challenges of everyday life effortlessly. Moving on to camera capabilities, both the Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A35 5G excel with advanced AI-enhanced features like AI-suggested edits, object eraser, and nightography. Capturing stunning photos is easier than ever. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or love taking selfies, the high-resolution sensors and advanced stabilization technology ensure your photos and videos always look their best. The Galaxy A55 5G boasts a 50-megapixel main with OIS and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the Galaxy A35 5G features a 50-megapixel main with OIS and 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Both include a 5-megapixel macro lens. Additionally, the Galaxy A55 5G sports a 32-megapixel front camera, while the Galaxy A35 5G comes with a 13-megapixel front camera. The Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A35 5G come with vibrant displays and Dolby-engineered stereo speakers, delivering an immersive audiovisual experience. With a 120Hz refresh rate and features like Vision Booster, you can enjoy smooth transitions and clear visuals even in bright sunlight, perfect for binge watching or gaming on the go. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 5G is powered by the all-new Exynos 1480 processor, built on foreign process technology, while the Galaxy A35 5G features the upgraded Exynos 1380 processor, built on 5-in process technology. With enhanced NPU, GPU, and CPU performance, along with a 70% plus larger cooling chamber, these phones offer blazing fast performance and smooth multitasking. Security is paramount, and that's why the Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A35 5G come equipped with Samsung Knox Vault, a hardware-based security system offering comprehensive protection against hardware and software attacks. Features like AutoBlocker and Secure Folder ensure your personal information remains safe and secure. Beyond features, the Galaxy S series focuses on delivering exceptional experiences. With Samsung Wallet, you can conveniently carry your essentials on your Galaxy device, making transactions hassle-free and secure. Voice Focus ensures crystal clear communication during calls, free from background noise. In terms of memory variants, pricing, availability, and offers, the Galaxy A55 5G starts at INR 36,999 for the 8GB plus 128GB variant, while the Galaxy A35 5G starts at INR 27,999 for the 8GB plus 128GB variant. These devices will be available for purchase via live commerce on Samsung.com and other retail channels starting March 18, 2024. Plus, for a limited time, customers making their first tap and pay transaction with Samsung Wallet will receive an Amazon voucher worth INR 250. Thank you for joining us as we unveiled the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A35 5G. With their innovative features, stylish design, and top-notch performance, these smartphones are poised to redefine the mobile technology experience. Pre-order yours today and be among the first to experience the future of smartphones. Samsung, empowering you to do more. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.